Mastering, then, your key to fluent English conversations. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode in our series on conversational English. Today, we'll be focusing on a small but powerful word that you probably use every day, then. As we dive into this topic, we'll explore how then can be used to create sequences and give step-by-step instructions, making your English conversations more fluent and understandable. Let's get started. The word then is an adverb, and it has a few different uses. However, in today's video, we'll focus on its use as a sequential word. When we talk about sequences or give step-by-step instructions, we often use then to indicate what happens next. It helps us to organize information in a logical way. For example, if we're explaining how to make a cup of tea, we might say, first, boil some water. Then, add the water to your teacup. After that, add a tea bag. Finally, let it steep for a few minutes before drinking. Notice how then is used to guide the listener through the steps in order. While using then, it's important to know where to place it in your sentences. Generally, then can be placed at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. When it's at the beginning, it usually follows a full stop or a comma. For example, I woke up early, then I went for a run. I finished my homework, then I watched a movie. When then is used in the middle of a sentence, it's typically following a comma, separating two clauses. I finished my homework, then I watched a movie. Remember, the word then is used to show a sequence of actions or events. While then is quite straightforward to use, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't use then when there is no sequence or progression. For example, it wouldn't make sense to say, I like apples. Then, I also like oranges. There is no sequential relationship between these two sentences. 2. Avoid using then to indicate a reason or cause. Then shows what happens next, not why something happens. For example, don't say, it was raining, then I took my umbrella. Instead, say, it was raining, so I took my umbrella. So, there you have it, folks. You now understand how to use the word then to give clear, logical sequences and instructions in English. We hope this video has made the concept easier to grasp. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find that then becomes a natural part of your English conversations. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, happy language learning.